Alright, so this here, these three stalks, are what's called Equisetum arvense, or more familiarly known? Yeah, as horsetail, common horsetail specifically. So I believe that's the Equisetaceae family. And horsetail is a really cool plant. It's an ancient species, so that means that the horsetail we see is also like the horsetail that the dinosaurs saw. And you have to be careful when touching them because it has silica on its stems. Oh, I just made a whole bunch of spores go flying. I'll see if I can do it again. Get the camera to pick it up. Maybe. Maybe not. Ooh, not enough hands. Here, let's see. Okay. Maybe not. Oh, there it goes. So this is a horsetail, and really interesting plant. You might also hear it called scouring brush. That's actually a different species, but it also has that sharp silica in the stems that is, it gets its name because you could use it as a brush to clean things. So these specifically are the reproductive stems, but we have just starting to come up what I believe are going to be the vegetative stems. So here's one. Let's see. So there's a vegetative stem, and one interesting thing to note is eventually these will get branches, and those branches are commonly confused as leaves, but horsetail leaves are just, they're tiny, they're barely even noticeable. So for all intents and purposes, we can just pretend it doesn't even have leaves. So here you can see these little sort of like almost umbrella shaped things that conceal the spores, which are really cool. So from a medicinal perspective, horsetail has a lot of uses, among which, let's see if we can get this focused again, there we go. So among which we have, let me think, well, it's quite useful for, oh yeah, connective tissues. So it's being explored as a treatment for different types of muscle and joint pain, although nothing is 100% certain yet. So as always, maybe don't try to treat yourself, but it's a very cool plant, ancient plant species, and you know, I've never caught the reproductive stems before, so this is pretty cool. Another thing to just note is that reproductive and vegetative stems on this particular species will occur separately. So the reproductive stems will die, and then we'll get the vegetative stems doing a little more. So like that guy down there, you see him? And yeah. So that's horsetail. Thanks for listening to me go on for 3 minutes about it.